Hey guys, how are you? We're out at Willowbank bringing some more drag action. What have we got on this weekend?
Well, we got the Drag Challenge road trip on this weekend. They're starting here at Willowbank tonight. A couple hours of drag racing. Put in your best time.
Yep.
Then they head off to Warwick tomorrow. We won't be there for that one.
We might be able to grab some footage of some of the other guys though. We've got Nugget Garage is out here, the Skid Factory's out here.
Yep.
So they got a couple of cars in. We'll try and get some shots of those.
Yep.
And then they leave Warwick, right?
And then
camp there again overnight, and then they head Sunday
to Lakeside.
Up to Lakeside. So that it should be a pretty full-on event. They've obviously got to drive those cars in between.
Yeah.
There's no support vehicles with parts or any of that sort of stuff.
I think there is, isn't there?
So
I'm not sure.
No, they've got to carry their bits and pieces with them and do the usual drag challenge. So it should be fun. We'll get some drag action. What do you reckon?
Let's get into it.
All right, let's do it. I've seen this patrol getting around a bit everywhere. It's pretty Facebook famous.
Yep.
A lot of runs up at Lakeside, and it does pretty well up there. Roll racing. I've seen you out there running that one as well and doing well.
Yeah.
Tell us a bit about your patrol, mate. What's it got?
So it's a Shane LX LS3 with a Magnuson supercharger.
Yep.
A ProTrans Turbo 400. Still runs a transfer case.
Right.
Doesn't run the front diff, but can if it needs to.
Right.
So I think the best quarter mile time's at 10:20 at 132.
Okay.
And obviously, it's 6.5 tonight, but it's can't really sort of get on it too hard because it's wanting to rear up. So
I did just sort of half got a shot of that before I missed that shot. I was hoping to get another one. It was a good wheel stand.
Yeah, definitely. So.
good for the viewers. They love to see that.
That's it.
Might be a bit scary behind the wheel.
Oh, it is a little bit. Yeah.
Pedaling it. Now this thing really hooks up though, doesn't it? Because that's the success that you have at Lakeside and everything.
That's
is
right.
getting the power down.
Power down. Yeah. So favourite tracks Lakeside. It seems to just work.
Yep.
It goes really good there. So yeah.
And how long have you had this thing for?
Probably about 5 years now.
Right.
Yeah.
And has it been a work in progress over that 5 years?
It has, slowly just creeping up with the power. Every meeting sort of thing, add a little bit to it. So yeah.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. And obviously big weekend this weekend, drag challenge. You got to drive out to all the tracks and everything.
Yeah,
and,
that's right. Yeah.
Yeah. It's have you done this event before?
I think this is the fourth one.
Oh,
yeah.
right.
Yeah,
So you've done plenty.
Done a couple, yeah.
And you enjoy it?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, the kids love it. Wife loves it. So yeah, it's good.
And I see there's everything. We've got big power out here like yourself. We've got there's a bit of everything in family cars and all sorts of stuff out there running, right?
It's good.
Try and get consistent times.
Good mix. Yeah.
And where'd your passion for cars start, mate?
When I was young, I was always into four-wheel drives and tough cars, so I just sort of put the two together, and
I like that.
It sort of just worked, yeah. So yeah, but it's good,
mate. I like it, and this is a very cool car and gets lots of looks.
Yeah, thank you,
mate. Have a great weekend.
Good on you, mate. Thanks.
Pete, what did you think of the weekend, mate?
Absolute cracker. Look, big apps, Lakeside 8 Mile, they always put on a really good event. Willowbank was awesome. It was a precursor that it was going to run good numbers.
Yep.
Warwick, really good. PB'd by half a second, which I don't even know how that happened. And Lakeside was always going to be the make or break, but I didn't think it'd actually break.
But it did.
But here we are.
So what have you done? What's the damage?
It hasn't done axles, so I'm assuming there's just teeth and stuff floating around in there. So
A bit of pieces.
Yeah.
Fair enough. And it went pretty well. Big crunch, didn't it?
Yeah, look, I think, because I launched in second, I think as soon as I've clicked to third, it's just loaded up and she's called it a day.
Yeah, fair enough. Now tell us about, what's it running?
So it's a quad cam Toyota V8, so the 1UZFE. This current one, though it is pretty much a built engine, it's not turned up, not anywhere near it could be, but it's got pistons, head studs, valve springs, head gaskets, bunch of stuff to increase the engine's longevity.
Yep.
But it's overpowered the rear end, so
yeah, fair enough.
here we are.
And what sort of horsepower did it turn for you prior to running?
We put it on the dyno on Friday and it made 411 horsepower, and that was on very conservative boost. I may have got a little bit greedy, so who knows where it's at now, but yeah. Yep.
Good fun.
Yeah. Oh, look, at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. You don't win every time, you don't drive home every time.
But everyone loves this thing because the cruise session, when we went out there and you took me for a run in the cruise session, and you just see the cars just coming around and going, checking it out, and they all wanted to have a run, and then nobody wanted to have a run.
No, well, that's the thing. You see cars, built cars that are, I don't know, over 100 grand worth, and they don't want to run it. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it.
That's what you went for.
Yeah. Well, look, at the end of the day, it's a family truckster. It's a wagon with roof racks. It's got kid seats in it most of the time. It's just, it's a good thing.
Perfect. As long as you had fun, and hopefully it's not too much damage, mate, and you're back out again before long.
And look, it's just been such a blast. Like everything from just working with the Skid Factory dudes to coming out and obviously this road trip event I've made it every year so far. It's just
You highly recommend it for anyone thinking about it?
Oh, look, it speaks for itself, right?
Yeah.
Like, look at the car park. It's filled with every class of vehicle.
There's people in their dailies as well, right? Like,
yeah.
You can bring anything out.
Oh, there's heaps of stuff. There's a young fella out here with a 202 in a, I don't know, Holden's WB HQ Ute.
Yeah.
And it's gorgeous, and it just shows that that's where it's headed. The young fellas are still enjoying it, so yeah, family friendly. I mean, there's kids everywhere, so yeah, it's a beautiful thing.
All right, well, I guess we'll let you go organise a trailer.
Yeah, I've got the tow vehicle waiting. Thanks, Dave. Thanks,
No
Skid Factory. Thanks, Lakeside 8th Mile. Thank you, Kelly, my gorgeous wife. She's super supportive, so yeah, next time.
Good on you. Thanks for having a
No
chat,
worries.
mate.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys. Well, that was final day of drag challenge, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It's just me signing off because well, Tyler's at home. He's doing some assignments. He's pretty busy this weekend and catching up on some editing because we've got heaps out there. And make sure you like, subscribe, do the usual stuff. Check out our new website on overtakinglane.com.au, and if you want your car featured on the gallery page, send us a picture of yourself and your car, and we'll throw it up there on the gallery page. And all our contact details are there if you want to send us anything in to open up on the live show, etc. But yeah, as I said, do the usual, like, subscribe, share. You know the drill. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one. Stay in that right lane.